Hey friends, welcome back to Great Quiz. Now, more thrilling than ever, join us today for an exciting challenge with our Choose Your Gift, Pink, Blue, and Gold. We've got 70 fantastic options for you to choose from, and you'll have just 8 seconds to make your pick as a token of our appreciation for all your wonderful comments. Let's dive into today's game and let's get started. 1. Choose your tattoo. 2. Choose your headphones. 3. Choose your watch. 4. Choose your house. 5. Choose your ice cream. 6. Choose your door. 7. Choose your car. 8. Choose your phone case. 9. Choose your keyboard. 10. Choose your gaming room. 11. Choose your teddy bear. 12. Choose your pretzel. 13. Choose your roller skate. 14. Choose your toilet. 15. Choose your pet. 16. Choose your gaming mouse. 17. Choose your jewelry. 18. Choose your pen. 19. Choose your jet. 20. Choose your crepe cake. 21. Choose your nails. 22, choose your Great Quizzes gift. Comment your birthday, comment your favorite color, comment your best friend's name. 23, choose your sneakers. Choose your macaron. 25, choose your handbags. 26, choose your dessert. 27, choose your musical instrument. 28, choose your bedroom. 29, choose your sunglasses. 30, choose your iPad. 31, choose your rings. 32, choose your motorcycle. 33, choose your burger. 34, choose your kitchen. 35, choose your mansion. 36, choose your dollhouse. 37, choose your spaghetti. 38, choose your notebook. 39, choose your umbrella. 40, choose your helmet. 41, choose your dress. 42, choose your stuffed animal. 43, choose your lunchbox. 44, choose your backpack. 55, choose your drink. 46, choose your bathtub. 47, choose your task. 48, choose your hairdryer. 49, choose your phone. 50, choose your key ring. 51, choose your tennis ball. 52, choose your hat. 53, choose your shoes. 54, choose your toilet paper. 55, choose your... 56, choose your yacht. 57, choose your scooter. 58, choose your cookies. 59, choose your office. 60, choose your AirPods. 61, choose your car. 62, choose your roller skates. 63, choose your perfume. 64, choose your champagne. 65, choose your phone. 66, choose your bag. 67, choose your milkshake. Choose your sofa. 69, choose your swing. 70, choose your bicycle helmet. 'How many questions could you guess today? What other topics would you like to cover? Let us know and write it in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next video. Bye for now!